Hey guys, so today we'll be doing a quick and simple main menu for Unity. So we will be adding a background right here. Just drag and drop your picture. Yeah, but you gotta make sure that this is a sprite. On 3D, it's not a sprite at first. If you're on 3D, or if you're on 2D, it would just be automatically converted to a sprite. So yeah. Well, I'm on 3D, so you have to click on it on your background, text or type, and then sprite 2D and UI. Then apply. There you go. This is your sprite. So now it's time to create it. We'll just create an image there, and we'll just put the image on it. Our sprite actually there, and it works as you can see. We'll just extend this. Yeah. Now we'll just extend that, yeah. And if we play it, this is our background. So that's that, and we'll actually create a button, Text Mesh Pro. You don't have to, but I find it looks a bit better. Also, a pop-up should appear like if you don't have the files already, and you just click import TMP essentials, let it load, then you can press X. Or if you want, you can add the add-ons or whatever they are. But there's our button. Just extend this a teeny bit. And there's our play button. We might as well rename this while we're at it. There. Now, there's our play button. We'll just put there. Now we'll just play. I chose Text Mesh Pro because it has more versatility. So there, fallback. Now font style bold. It looks a lot better. There. Now we can just play. It's a button, but it doesn't do anything. So we might change that. But first, we have to make sure that the person actually knows that they're hovering over or clicked on it. So we'll click on the button. Then under normal color or beside it, just click on this, and this should pop up. The A will put at 0 for me. Then 61 for highlighted. Now pressed will be 117. These are just my preferences. You can change this to whatever you want though. And here's the look at it. And here's what it looks like. See? Now, that's why we chose that. Now just, you can copy and paste this if you want. There. If you don't want to do everything again because you want to save a bit of time, just Control-C, Control-V it. Quit. There. Same thing. We just changed the names of it. There. Okay. Now it's time for the script. And now on scripts, so I've created a folder called scripts. I've already created the script. And so pretty much just, look and pretty much just pause the video now if you want to write this out. You have to make sure that you have Unity Engine, and you just have to make sure you have all 4 of these. Public, just the name, function to hold everything. Scene manager, pretty much just, okay, load the next scene with the build index that has n+1. Pretty much whatever the build index is right now, just add 1 or -1, whatever you want. Well, not really whatever you want. It's more like if you want to put this to a different one, you would have to put it as like +4 if you had like like 5 or 6, you know, of those scenes. Application.quit, debug.log, pretty much in the console here. It should write a little notification sort of like, and application.quit doesn't work on the editor. That's why we added debug.log, so we know, hey, it's working. But once you compile it, it should work. I assure you it will work. And yeah, that's pretty much our little script here. So I'll give you 3 more seconds. Okay. Now, just drag this onto our canvas. And we'll go to play. On click, we'll click the plus. Then we'll drag in our canvas over here. No function, menu choices. Play game, make sure that you are on play or whatever you called your function. So on click, canvas. Now same thing, only that we select quit game. And that's pretty much everything, except Control-Shift-B will open up the build settings, which if you don't have anything equipped, it would just show this, nothing. So we'll go into my scenes, then menu. I have to drag in my menu first before I can drag in my game, because +1, they count up, and then we can just press X. Also, if you don't know how to create a script, it will just be right click, create C# script. And yeah, it should work now. So we'll click play. This is a game, as you can tell, a very fun game. And now we'll do quit, which should, yeah, there. Quit game. Game quit. Pretty much. Okay, Unity Engine, debug it. Not really debug, it's just notifications, sort of like. Think of like one of those Apple notifications, only for Unity. And that you can create them very easily. So that's the video. I'll see you guys later. Share this video with people that want to know how to create a quick menu, and like and subscribe. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later.